The OnePlus 6T A6013 smartphone is a uniquely designed piece of tech which is armed with Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chips, 6GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage, and most importantly, it boasts a dual rear 12+ 20 megapixel, which will take your photographing experience to a whole new level. The OnePlus 6T runs on Android OS version 9.0 out of the box, while it comes with a LiPo 3700 mAh non-removable battery. It features a 6.4-inch AMOLED display with 1080 by 2340 pixel resolution. AMOLED technology is widely used for smartphones because of their gorgeous color reproduction abilities and very deep blacks. The most important part of this smartphone is its unique camera. While it's equipped with autofocus, it means that it boasts the ability to fine-tune the focus of the camera. Also, the rear camera has optical image stabilization to counteract camera shake, so as you can see, you'll be well equipped with everything you need. In addition, the front camera has 25 megapixels, while the dual rear camera boasts a 12 and 20 megapixel with a 4032 by 3024 pixel resolution, with autofocus and optical image stabilization as mentioned before. Feature-wise, the smartphone sensors measure physical quantities and transmit them to the application processor. The phone's accelerometer is a built-in electronic component that measures tilt and motion. Also, a fingerprint sensor is one of the easiest and most secure ways to protect your smartphone, while the proximity sensor detects when a user is holding the phone near their face during a call and turns off the display to prevent keypad presses and battery consumption from the display. While in terms of multitasking, the 6T has dual SIM capability, meaning that you can insert two different SIM cards and use them both from one phone. Moreover, the 6T is definitely a must-have, and if you're looking for something similar, don't hesitate to purchase this product, because you won't regret your decision.